Tonight we're leaving Hanoi behind and taking the night train to Dong Hoi, which will take, I think, about 10 hours. We had to hand in our reservation sheets for tickets at the train station over here, which can only be done just a bit beforehand. And 20 minutes before the train leaves, you can go through the gate and get on the train. We got a private cabin with the 4 of us, so let's go take a look.
Five.
That's 7.
And that's 5. The next is 5, so that's... Looks fine, right?
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah, this is ours. We're in 9A.
Let's hop on.
We've made it on the train in time. It should leave in about half an hour. The cabin's pretty comfortable, especially comparing it to the night train that we took from Berlin to the Netherlands earlier in the year. This one doesn't look nearly as old as that one. We've got plenty of snacks. Like we got this from the... This was already here, and this we brought in. It's got everything. We're well prepared.
I saw mosquitoes, so I'm right away putting meat on everything. Because...
Time to explore the train. Hasn't left yet. Squat toilet. There's a toilet on this end. The washing basin here, nice. And you can get, well, I guess 80-degree water here. We're coming back to this train for a 20-hour trip, twice as long as this one, yay. And then we'll need sustenance on the route. We're doing some quick train yoga. I'm regretting my decisions.
That one will be coming up. I can almost touch it. Hey,
It's moving.
Oh, we are moving.
Are we moving?
Yeah, we are.
We've started, but
And
the
put
train
your
yoga
arms
continues.
On the left side of your leg.
Oh yeah. Yeah, first it's a bit like this, and if it's possible, then move down even more.
No, it's not possible. We got some snacks on the train. They are Lay's, wavy, and my cheddar cheese. Let's try it out. They are wavy, but are they cheddar cheese? We won't know until we... They are cheddar cheese. 5 out of 7.
I'm loving my dinner.
We've got more snacks. If I can open them. There was a slight explosion from the bag, which is nice. I like the explosion feel. Not quite as advertised. fluff is nice, but the taste is mwah. Could be better.
Wow. Hello, Phobia.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
It's now 5 o'clock in the morning and we should arrive in a few minutes, but we're ready to go. We just got off the train. It was a bit difficult to find the exit because some of the doors we got in on, was padlocked. And this station doesn't really have a platform, so it's a big step to get down. But we're at the right station, I think. Yeah, we're at the right station and there should be a taxi waiting for us. Welcome to beautiful Dong Hoi. Ooh, epic. It's about a 1 hour drive from Dong Hoi to Phong Nha, and they've been so kind to allow us to check in early, so we're just gonna relax here until we get on our day trip to the caves.
I'm loving my dinner. I can't just
We've made it to the train in time.
Yeah, sorry.
We've made it to the train on time. It should. We've made it on to the night train from Berlin to